At the Mayport Oval, it's McLean coming up to bowl from the beach end. He comes in with a great movement. What movement, I'm not sure. It might be bowls. And he's hit for 6. He's hit for 6. Goodness gracious me. Must be Talbot coming in now. No, he's moved off the wicket. Oh, no, there's no need to stand there. Would you like to say a few words into the microphone?
This be Red Jordan, there's a bomb in the bucket.
Hello, I'm Jan.
Strictly cricket. The snick of leather on Willow. That's still running. And he hits it. He's nicely fielded there by the bowler. He almost picked up the 410 into pen. Disaster! Oh God, it's Wilson now bowling to Chambers, and Chambers slices it down there beyond the bowler, and it runs over to Trash. Elsie running for it now. Elsie running, and it's hit that. It's a 4. Tornado Wilson.
Catch it!
To Legham Chambers. What'd you say? Couldn't hear. That is remote, that's the affirmative. It's actually running at this moment. So speak up, light. Together, come on.
Hi!
Oh, God.
Chambers, shall I look around a second? Very quickly, while you're doing that. That's better. Now, he's about to bat. Oh, nice. Okay, it should be running now.
Does that make work? Yeah. Why?
Why?
Yeah. Why does it work?
Because it's switched on your bugger.
How's that? No.
I know he Then you can't be here, will you? Come on in, we'll bring you back with beer. I've got some. Sir. Bet you'll have a good time, man.
Who said that?
I did.
You load of ass.
That's crazy, man. Where's the ball? Look, just.
Okay, well, here we are standing on top of the Acropolis with the Parthenon in the background.
Oh, there! All right, father! All right, why don't you drink it? Sat there for ages. God. I tell you, we don't
On a very auspicious occasion, when the badgers all come across one another, they're gathered here. Oh, by the way, there goes the fisherman. He's caught 2 lobsters and a shrimp. He crabbed, mate.
A bit louder then.
Hello! Yaroo!
Doing fuck. I don't know, do you? Yes, now and again. When you can.
He's got his... No, you lie! You
He hasn't taken his glasses off yet.
What's a bloody matter with you, Mario? Come on, I'm back a bloody up. Your mess is going to do that, you know.
Tu les donnes il fait en français.
Alright, you never get any launches. Bang, 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 bang.
Holding up and ball. You've got it started now. Wait. Turn around and look at the camera. It's working. He's started again. He's going. How much of the film are you using?
So 40 quid in a day.
Where did you go to spend 40 quid?
No, he came back twice. If he'd have made it, he wouldn't have got... Get him!
Are you right then?
Am I what?
All right then.
I'm alright. Yeah.
Oh God, you.
Hey, Lee.
Oh, you're a
You? All of us?
Yeah.
private.